different types of abaya. Batwing abaya. This is the typical abaya for the Gulf religion. It comprises the sleeves that cover the upper arm completely. Maxi abaya. Women who prefer to cover a large portion of their body without donning a complete abaya choose the maxi abaya. Sheer abaya. Sheer abayas are incredibly sophisticated and stylish. They have either a high neck neckline or a plunging neckline. Embroidered abaya. Even though this style of abaya is composed of more vibrant hues and covers your entire body. Printed abaya. This kind of abaya is made of silk and has a vibrant color. Abayas of this style look great with floral dresses and tights. Batwing beaded abaya. This abaya includes a variety of patterns and hues, including lace. This look is very suitable for a night on the town. Portrait abaya. This particular style of abaya is constructed from a long, silky metallic fabric that elegantly drapes over your body. Classic abaya. It blends headscarves with shalwar trousers. A long, loose-fitting skirt worn over an ankle-length trouser and is available in a variety of hues and patterns. Full abaya. Full abayas can be constructed from heavier materials like sheer and largely fitted. Beaded abaya. This design is much more gorgeous than the conventional batwing abaya, since it features lovely designs on the sleeves and collar.